Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to set up local pickup for your Shopify store, specifically for selected areas. Local pickup can help you save on shipping costs and provide a better customer experience for shoppers near your store. If you're wondering how to make it available only for certain areas, you're in the right place. We'll go step by step. So let's get started. First, you need to ensure that local pickup is enabled for your Shopify store. To do this, go to the Settings section of your Shopify admin. From there, click on Shipping and Delivery. Scroll down to the Local Delivery section and click Manage. Under the Local Pickup option, toggle the button to enable local pickup. This will allow your customers to select the option during checkout, but we will customize it further to limit it to specific areas. Next, you need to define which areas are eligible for local pickup. Under the Local Pickup settings, you'll find an option for Pickup Location. Here, you can select the specific store location that will offer local pickup. To restrict it to selected areas, click Edit next to the pickup location. In the settings, look for the Postal Codes section. You'll be able to add specific postal codes or zip codes for the areas that are eligible for local pickup. Add the relevant areas and save your changes. Now that you've set up the areas where local pickup will be available, it's time to customize the checkout experience for your customers. When they enter their shipping information at checkout, Shopify will check their postal code. If they are in an area you've defined for local pickup, they will see the option to select local pickup as their shipping method. Finally, to ensure smooth operations, you can set up pickup instructions for your customers. This can be done within the local pickup settings as well. Add details like your store hours, pickup instructions, and any other relevant information to ensure your customers know how and when to pick up their orders. And that's it. You've now successfully set up local pickup for selected areas in Shopify. This helps you provide a more tailored experience to your local customers, offering them a convenient way to receive their orders without the added cost of shipping. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.